Namaskar friends. Today we'll be making this wonderful recipe of this Maan Kochu with Katla fish head. This is available in Kolkata or West Bengal more often. We'll remove the outer skin and second layer like this and third layer also, so that the calcium oxalate what is there which is not suitable for human consumption. Maybe the people human that doesn't accept this kind of food, but when we do this cutting and cook it nicely, this calcium oxalate is can be discarded. So I will make a paste with garlic, ginger and green chili in silbatta, and to a fine paste. Once done, we'll remove in a small container. Then I will put this man kochu for boiling. Before that, I'll marinate the fish head with turmeric and salt nicely. When this water starts boiling, we'll put man kochu, add little salt and turmeric, and boil it for 10 minutes so it becomes soft and tender. And we'll cover it. I am taking a kadai with a little mustard oil and fry the fish head till it becomes golden or well cooked both the side. Once done, we'll remove it in a container. I'll put little more oil, mustard oil. I'll put the tempering of red chili, whole cumin and bay leaf. Add the paste what we have done in the silbatta, ginger, garlic and green chili. Add 2 small tomato, little salt, and when the oil start oozing, we'd add basic masala, coriander, cumin, turmeric, red chili spicy and Kashmiri red chili, and we'll stir fry. Once done, we'll add man kochu and stir fry along with this masala. In this stage, we'll add the fish head and we'll again stir it along with this maan kochu and the basic masala for 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, we'll add hot water and allowing it to boil for 10 to 15 minutes till it becomes soft, really soft. You have to take a piece and find out if it is become soft or not. I'll add garam masala and remove in a serving dish. This is how it looks after finishing. This has to be eaten with rice only, and this is so yummy. If you have one, you will ask more. Please like, share, subscribe my channel with your friends and family. Bye bye for now. See you in the next recipe. Bye.